Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. If you've been here before, if you're new, you're welcome. Thank you for clicking on this video. So I did a video before when I relaxed the roots of my natural hair, which I did at home by myself. And in this video I just wanted to show you guys that I finally relaxed my hair, like everything, and I don't regret it. I feel like a burden has been lifted off my shoulder. My hair will definitely be easier to maintain now. That's one thing I know for sure, because I was struggling with that natural hair, I will not lie. Anyway, so we used the Mega Growth Relaxer. I used 2 packs, and you know they usually come like as a twin, so I used 2 of that, and it went through my entire head and it was enough. And then this girl, like, she did a fantastic job. Like, the salon was full, so we're sitting like by the door, but that didn't, like, it wasn't an issue for me because I just wanted her to do a really good job, and she did. My scalp didn't fry or nothing, and I was surprised that my scalp didn't fry because I had just taken out my faux locks and it came out really well. So I decided to do a ponytail immediately because, you know, it was a Friday and I was about to go out, and look how sleek that pony is. Like, she really did a good job. I love the results. I'm just happy. Hey guys, so this is day 5 since I relaxed my hair and did this ponytail, and this is what it looks like right now. I have this big pimple on my nose. I'm sure it's from my period. Anyway, so this is what my ponytail is looking like after 5 days, and this is like after I had my hair relaxed. I was natural for 5 years. I don't know if I mentioned that before, but so this is what it looks like today. Usually when I still had my natural hair with a ponytail, I'll probably have it for maybe 3 days before I cannot look at myself anymore. But it looks better like when you have your hair relaxed, because I'm not seeing waves the way I used to see. I used to have waves when my hair was natural, and it's a lot neater. I mean, after 5 days, this is really neat compared to when I had natural hair. So anyway, I just wanted to also show you guys how I like retouch my ponytail. So what I'm going to do is, for this part where I already have my hair coming up, this is like the middle of my head, and it's a lot more loose because when I sweat, this is where I usually sweat the most. So I'm just going to take my spray bottle. There's water and a little bit of leave-in conditioner in this, and this is what I do. I just, not too wet though, just enough for the gel to hold, because I'm going to reapply some gel to that area. And I'm using my Eco Styler. It's the black Eco Styler. I'm just going to apply where I have hair standing. I'm just going to reapply there and brush it down as much as I can. I'm not reapplying a lot, just a little is enough, and it holds because of the water. Then I'm going to go through my edges with the gel. For my edges, I don't need water because the hair on my edges are a lot more lighter, so they just lay down when I apply the gel. I don't like to do swirls and all of that. I don't know. I just don't like it. I just want my edges brushed back properly and, you know, looking uniform. So this is what I do. Then I like to brush my sideburns down like this with the gel. Same thing here. And I'm going to do the back as well. I'm going to take a bigger brush and just go there. And I'm going to do this with the back of my head as well, just to make sure. And that's it. And I'm not going anywhere, otherwise I'd have brushed my ponytail out. But it's going to be like that because I'm not going anywhere. I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like after 5 days of relaxing my hair and getting a ponytail, and how I keep it fresh. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you like me, please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.